Good afternoon, everybody. Today I have come up with one lecture under Introduction to Geography. This will be useful to prepare for the multiple choice questions in the first paper of NASU examination. So let's begin. Geography is the branch of knowledge which links natural world to that of the society. The natural world consists of the environment around us, including the universe and the society, human beings and their cultural values and their interactions. So basically it studies the link between the natural world and that of the society. Eratosthenes, he was the first man to discuss about geography, the concept of geography, and he is also known as the founder or father of geography. Geography is a Greek word. It comes from two Greek words, that is geo means earth and graphy means to write or to describe. So geography means to write or describe about earth, that is earth descriptions. And the person who studies geography is known as geographer. Okay. So let's have a brief outline of geography under nature and scope. So we have a universe is there, the world geography is there, and there is a geography of a particular place. And under universe we will study about the galaxies. The Milky Way galaxy is the galaxy where our solar system is located. Then there are constellations and stars. Then there is a solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Pluto has been dropped from the list of the planet under the solar system. We will discuss about that in the lectures as well. And under Earth we will study about lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Under world geography we study about physical aspect, social aspect and economic aspect. Physical aspects are regional division, physical division, climate, natural vegetation and drainage. Social aspect will study about the race, religion, the population distribution, the trends in population growth and migration. Under economic aspect we can study about primary, secondary and tertiary economic activities. Those are nothing but, let's say, production and distribution and consumption. All the economic activities can be categorized into production. Either they are produced, the goods or services are produced. They are distributed, that means there is buying and selling, and there is consumption, it is consumed. Under local geography or the geography of a particular place, there are physical, land, water and climate aspects. There is social, race and religion, human development, there is migration, economic aspects are also there. Under economic there are natural resource, human resource, agriculture, irrigation, all the activities that is there to generate economic value. So before this there are certain names, popular names, which have contributed to the field of the study of geography. Okay. And there is Pythagoras. Pythagoras is famous for his Pythagoras theorem. He was a Greek philosopher and a mathematician. He was the first one to say that the earth is spherical and it revolves around the sun. Then there is Herodotus, who is known as the father of history. Aristotle, he was a Greek philosopher as well, and he explained the eclipse. Eratosthenes is a Greek poet, mathematician. Contribution towards geography is that he is the father of geography and he was the first one to calculate the circumference of the earth. Then there is Hipparchus. He was perhaps the greatest Greek astronomer. Then there is Ptolemy. He wrote the book Geography and he described the system of latitudes and longitudes. He was also a cartographer. Cartographer means evolved the science of map making. Map making is known as cartography. Then there is Karl Ritter. He is a German geographer and he is considered as the founder of modern geographic studies. He stressed the importance of using all the sciences in the study of geography. So that is his contribution. Now, based on this information, let's try and solve few multiple choice questions. Who was the first man to discuss about geography? We already discussed, it was Eratosthenes. Who was the first man to say that the earth is spherical and revolves around the sun? It was Aristotle. This was a great astronomer. So Ptolemy was a great astronomer. Is it? No, it was Hipparchus. Okay. He was one of the greatest Greek astronomers. Who wrote Geographia Generalis? Bernhard Verenius. He is considered the founder of modern geographic study. It was Karl Ritter. He is a German geographer. Who invented isotherms? It is Humboldt. Isotherms is related with measurement of temperatures. Opposite theory of determinism. It was Vidal de la Blas. Okay. The first we need to understand what is the theory of determinism. Determinism means that environment determines cultural values. Okay, it is only the environment that determines cultural values. Determinism says that. But the opposite theory of determinism is known as possibilism. Okay, and it says that it is not only the environment, but there are other factors that affects or that determines the cultural values, such as innovation, okay, and etc. So who wrote 5 volumes of book called as Cosmos? Okay, it was written by Humboldt. Who evolved the science of map making? It was Ptolemy. He was a cartographer. Who wrote the book Geography? It was again Ptolemy. The study of atmosphere that focus on the weather process and forecasting is known as meteorology. Okay, and of roughly adjacent metropolitan area is known as, let's say if there are many metropolitan areas, okay, adjacent to each other, then the whole area will be called as the megalopolis. Let's add few more questions to this questionnaire. Now, the study of Earth's structure and the rocks that make up the Earth is known as geomorphology. The study of earthquakes and their bearings on the internal structure of the Earth is known as the seismology. And I want you to write in the comment section that what is the instrument that is used to measure the earthquake and what is the unit of measurement of earthquake in the comment section. The study of soil science is known as pedology. Oceanography is the branch of hydrology. Human geography is also known as the cultural geography. The study of physical geography in the past geological ages is known as paleography. And the science and art of drawing maps and charts on the selected scale is known as cartography. And in the comment section, I want you to write the answer of who is the person or who is the person who draws map, what he is called, what is his, the designated name. So of determinism is related with which author? It is Huntington. Okay, and what is the opposite of determinism, the theory? It is possibilism. The study of distribution of human communities on the earth in continents of their geographical environment is known as the anthropogeography. The general geography was written by Bernardus Verenius, that we already did, and the book had 2 parts, that is general systematic geography, okay, general systematic geography and regional geography. So that's all for this session. We will come back with more lectures, and the lectures will be strictly based on NASU syllabus for the first paper. And I see there are some overlapping topics in both NASU and officer, so I will try to cover both the topics for both exams, NASU and officer level as well. So stay tuned. If you like our videos, please do share, subscribe and comment, and thank you for watching.